Fine. Great. And don't think you're getting any dessert!
I couldn't sleep. I took a Sominex. Voices in my head kept saying, go to Seymour, talk to Seymour. I drank some tea, but gee, the feeling wasn't gone. Seymour, sweetheart, tell me, darling, what's been going on?
Little lady, hello.
Said that.
You're looking cute as can be.
Somebody in there.
You're looking mighty sweet.
Seymour? Seymour?
No, it ain't Seymour. It's me.
Oh my God.
Your friendly Audrey too. This plant is talking to you.
I don't believe it.
Believe it, baby, it talks.
Am I dreaming this?
No, and you ain't in Kansas neither.
Something is very wrong here.
Relax and go with it, dog. Do me a favor, will you, sweetheart?
A favor?
I need me some water in the moist way. Look at my branch. I'm a goat, honey. Come on and give me a
I
drink.
don't know if I could.
Hey, little lady, be nice.
You just want water, right?
Shut my pretty straight.
Your branch is on dry.
Don't need no glasses, so
I'll get that here.
don't need no Christmas light. And now it's supper time. Oh, relax, sweetheart. It'll be easier. Look good, you just spread and mush this here outside.
Audrey! Are you all right?
Yes. No.
Audrey, don't die. I need you. Please, please don't die.
You know, the plant said the strangest thing just now. It said that Oren and Mr. Mushnick were already inside.
It's true. I did it. I fed them to it.
And that's what made it so big and strong. And you so famous.
I've done terrible things, but not to you. Never to you.
But I want you to, Seymour.
What?
When I die, it should be very shortly. Feed me to the plant so that it can live and bring you all the wonderful things you deserve.
You don't know what you're saying.
But I do. It's the one gift I can give you. And if I'm in the plant, then I'm part of the plant. So in a way, we'll always be together. You'll wash my tender leaves. You'll smell my sweet perfume. You'll water me and care for me. You'll see me bud and bloom. I'm feeling strangely happy now, contented